everybody. Welcome to preschool today. Today is Thursday. Let's start by washing our hands. I hope you came to school with your hands washed. If you don't have them washed, it's time to wash our hands, okay? Here we go. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands when it's time to start. This is the way we shake our hands, shake our hands, shake our hands. This is the way we shake our hands when it's time to start. This is the way we clap our hands, clap our hands, clap our hands. This is the way we clap our hands when it's time to start. This is the way we pat our hands, pat our hands, pat our hands. This is the way we pat our hands when it's time to start. Okay, what's going on, cameraman? Why are we all laughing?
Reflecting off of there.
Okay, so am I in the picture?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, good. Okay, let's have Daxton come on up. Daxton, come on up. Oh, right here. Go ahead.
Please stand.
Please stand up.
And begin.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, let's have Haley come on over. Haley, you're going to do our days of the week. All right, here we go. There are 7 days in a week. Won't you name them all with me? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, today is Thursday. Haley, can you point to Thursday? All right, friends, say Thursday as we clap our hands together. Ready? Thursday. How many claps?
2.
2. There are 2 syllables in the word Thursday. Okay, let's have Haley find what number comes next. Ready, Haley?
Yep.
Okay, begin.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is it, Dax? 7. Thank you, Holly. Thank you, Holly. Okay. All right, we're going to skip our ABCs today and go right to shapes. So let's have Holly come on up. Holly, you're going to point to a shape, and I'm going to call on a friend to name a shape, okay? All right, here we go. Round and around she goes. Which one she chooses, no one knows. Cash. Cash, what shape is the red shape? We just learned this one. It looks like a kite. We call it the diamond. Diamond. Okay, next, Holly. Okay, how about Oliver? Oliver, what shape is the purple shape? The purple shape is a square. 4 sides the same is a square. Okay, next. How about Jack? Jack, what shape is the blue shape? with 2 long sides, 2 short sides. 2 long sides, 2 short sides is a
Rectangle.
rectangle. Thanks, Jack. Okay, let's go, Holly. Let's pick another one. We're going to call on Rain. Rain, what shape is the green shape? 3 sides and 3 sharp points is a triangle. Thanks, Rain. All right, Jacelyn, here we go. We got some hard ones coming up. Jacelyn, what shape is the yellow shape? The yellow shape looks like a rectangle that's being pushed over, and we call that a parallelogram. All right. How about Kennedy? Kennedy, what shape is the orange shape? The orange shape is a circle. That one's our easy one, right? The circle is the easiest shape. All right, we're going to go to Gemma. Gemma, what shape is the blue shape on the bottom? We put up our slanted arms and say, trapezoid, trapezoid. Thanks, Gemma. Okay, we're going to go to Bentley. Bentley, the green shape. One of your favorite colors. The green shape has 6 sides. We call this the hexagon. A hexagon. Right, Bentley? Okay, thank you, Holly. Okay, let's have Dax come on up one more time and do our weather for us. Daxton, look out the window. What do you see? What do you see, Dax?
Blowy.
Okay, do we call it blowy? Nope. What's the weather like today? We don't say blowy, we say windy. Windy. It's windy here at school. Is it windy at your house? Okay, keep telling me. There's more. What else? What does it, Dax? Say it.
No.
Snow. It was snowing a little bit. It's trying to snow, huh? What else could we say? What is it? Cloudy. It's very cloudy in Gillette today. And one more. What else can we say? Rainy. Yes, it's windy, it's cloudy, it's rainy, and it's trying to snow. Yep. Thank you, Daxton. Okay, what is the weather like at your house? Tell me what the weather is like at your house. Is it cold and rainy and windy and cloudy? Okay, today is our last day of this week for preschool, okay? So today we are going to review the letters, okay? Yesterday we did numbers. Did you guys feed Pete? Did you practice your numbers at home? Can you count to 30? Can you count to 30? Okay, keep practicing, okay? Keep practicing. It's important that we practice every day, okay? So what are letters? Numbers, we count, right? We feed Pete as we count each candy piece, right? Those are numbers, okay? Letters spell a word, right? Do you remember some of the words we learned this year? What is this word? Does anybody know?
No.
What does that say?
No.
No. Remember? No. David? No. Remember that naughty story about David? Okay? No, David, no. Okay, those were an N and an O. How about this one? This is everybody's favorite word. And this is a special word.
Mom.
What is it?
Mom.
Mom. M-O-M. Can you see an M in all of the letters of the alphabet? Zoom in there, David. Okay.
I see two
Do
of
you
them.
see a letter M? Right there. Right there. M. Where's the letter O? Can you see a letter O? If you can see a letter O, point to it with your finger. O. Right? M-O-M spells Mom. Did you know that it's Mother's Day this weekend? It's Mother's Day. That's why I sent home a block for you to paint. Bring your block back, and I'm going to put a finishing touch on your block, and then we'll send it home in next week's learning packet, okay? We're making a special present for Mom. M-O-M, right? Okay, that was a fun word. I remember learning Mom. Do you remember learning this word? C-A-T. What does that spell? Cat. We learned to spell cat the very first month we were in school. C-A-T. Can you see a C on my board anywhere?
Yes.
What color is a C?
Pink.
C for cat?
Pink.
C is pink. Very good. Okay. Do you see an A? You know what? I'm going to flip our A over. Okay. Do you see the A? A circle with a little tail?
Yes.
What color is the A?
Blue one.
Yeah, it's a light blue, right? And a T. C-A-T. Where's a T? Can you see a T? If you see a T, point to a T.
Blue.
It's blue right there. Line down and cross it. Yep. Okay, so all these letters together spell a word, right? We use the letters to read, okay? We use the letters to read and to write. All right, I'm going to spell a name up here. How about, let's see, let's do, I'm not going, C-H-A-R-L-E-S. Whose name is that?
Charles.
Who?
Charles.
Charles. C-H-A-R-L-E-S spells Charles, right? Charles is in my morning class, okay? Charles, do you see all the letters of your name here? There's a C, H, A, R, L, E, and where's the S? S spells Charles, okay? If we use the letters of the alphabet, we can spell our name, right? We can spell our name, okay? All right, let's read a story, okay? I'm going to have Haley come up here. She's going to move our letters of the alphabet around as we read our story. Okay, Mr. David, you can zoom out a little bit. Are you ready, Haley? Okay, here we go. Do you all remember this book? What is this book?
Chicka, chicka, boom, boom.
Chicka, chicka, boom, boom, right? Will there be enough room in our coconut tree for all of these letters? We're gonna see how many letters Haley can fit in the coconut tree, okay? We used this book to introduce all the letters way back in September, right? We used this book already. So today we're going to use the book again and think of all the letters we've learned this year, okay? All right, David, I'm not sure if I need to be on that side. Haley, let's switch spots. Yes, David.
Charlie says, that's me, Mama.
Yes, I spelled Charles. Okay, trade me spots, Haley. David, I'm going to be over here with my book. That way we don't have too much going on that side of the board. Okay? All right, here we go. Haley's going to see if she can fit all of those letters in the coconut tree. Okay? Okay, here we go. There they are, friends. All the letters, right? We have big letters and small letters. What do we call the big letters?
Uppercase.
Oh, yep, uppercase is right. Dax, what do we call the big letters? The big letters are capital letters, right? The capital letters are big, okay? Holly calls them uppercase. Uppercase and capital are the same thing, okay? And then the small ones are, Dax, what are the small ones?
Lowercase.
Lowercase, right? Okay, do you see some big and some small? Every letter has a big one and a small one. Okay, here we go. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. I opened the front page of my book, and I have the first page we call what?
Title page.
Title page. Very good. It tells us the author who wrote the book and the illustrator who drew the pictures, right? Okay, I'm going to turn my page. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Okay, Haley, as I say the letters, you find them, okay? A told B and B told C, I'll meet you at the top of the coconut tree. Okay. We said D to E, F, and G. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Okay, I'll beat you to the top. That means they're going to have a race, right? Who's going to win the race? Whoa, Haley's got a lot of letters in there. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Will there be enough room? Here comes H up the coconut tree. Okay, H. Oh, Haley. Haley didn't get very many. Oh, Haley. Okay, you're going to have to spread them out. Okay, spread them out. And if you have to go in the sky, you can go in the sky. Okay? All right, here comes H. Did you put H up there?
Yes.
All right. Let's let Haley get all our letters. Go in the sky, Haley. In the sky. Okay. All right. Haley, make sure they're standing right, honey. How do they look? H goes this way. Okay. All right, scoot over so my friends can see. Our E is upside down and our D. Okay, that's okay. They already fell out of the tree. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Okay, here we go. Are we ready? All right. And I and J and tag along K. All on their way up the coconut tree. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Will there be enough room? Okay, look, friends. Our tree is getting really full. Okay, we already had a chicka, chicka, boom, boom right here, didn't we? All those letters fell out one time. Okay, here we go. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Will there be enough room? Look who's coming. L, M, N, O, and P. All right, we're gonna let Haley find L, M. Where's M? Can you see around, Haley. Haley, stay to the side as you get them, okay? L-M-N-O. Oh my goodness, our tree is growing. Growing. Oh, chicka, chicka, boom, boom. This is a hard activity. It's hard to put all of the letters at the top. Whoa, she got it. Okay. Look at my book, friends. What's happening to the coconut tree? What's happening to the coconut tree, Holly?
It's about to fall.
It's tipping over, right? Why is it tipping over?
Because there's so much
Because there's
letters.
so many letters, right? We need all of these letters so we can write words and read stories, right? Okay, and Q-R-S. Q-R-S. Yep, that's a B. You want your B should already be up there. Nope, and D. Okay, put it up there. It just probably fell off.
It's a Q.
Up high.
This one.
It's a Q.
Oh, Q. Okay, that's our Q. Okay, all right. We had our B looking like a Q. Wow, I don't really see a good Q.
It's a
Q's
Q.
supposed to have it. Okay, all right, that's the Q. Leave it up there. Q, R, where's R? R, where's S? S, okay, here we go. And T, U, V. T, U, oh, there's our U, it's upside down. Yep, when you spin U, it looks like an N, huh? T, U, and V. Woo, look at our tree. It's grown so big. Still more. How many more letters do we have left? Count them.
Four.
Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 letters that still need to climb. Here we go. Still more. W and X, Y and Z. The whole alphabet up the coconut. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Oh, no. What happened, friends? The coconut tree fell over. Skit, scat, skadoodle doot. Flip, flop, flee. Everybody running to the coconut tree. Everybody running to the coconut tree. Mamas and papas and uncles and aunts hug their little dears, then dust their pants. Why did the big letters come running?
Because they're babies.
Because the lowercase letters are hurt, right? It hurts when you fall out of the tree, right? And all those little letters were up in the coconut tree. Help us up, cried A, B, and C. Next from the pile up, skinned knee D and stubbed toe E and patched up F, then comes G, all out of breath. Oh, they have Band-Aids on. See, the F has a Band-Aid. David, are you on my story? Are you zoomed in on my story? Okay. H is tangled up with I. J and K are about to cry. L is knotted like a tie. Why is H about to cry?
Because
J and K, I mean. Why are J and K about to cry?
because
They're scared. They're scared. They're hurt. M is looped. N is stooped. O is twisted. Alley-oop. Skit, scat, scoodle doot. Flip, flop, flee. Okay, look at our tree, friends. What happened to our tree?
It's
standing back up. Why is it standing back up now?
because some of the letters are gone.
Yeah, right? Because the letters aren't in the tree, so it's not so heavy, right? Look who's coming. It's Black-Eyed P, Q-R-S, and Loose Tooth T. Uh-oh. When T fell out, he bonked his tooth and it made it loose. Then U, V, W, wiggle, jiggle, free. Say a U, V for volcano, W. Last to come is X, Y, and Z. And the sun goes down on the coconut tree. What do we call that when the sun goes down?
Sunset.
Okay, the sunset. Okay, and day is turning to
Night.
night. Yep, when the sun goes down, then what do we see in the sky?
A moon.
The moon. This is a full moon. Remember, a crescent moon is only part of the full moon, right? Okay, the moon. We learned about the moon. Yes, we learned about the sun and the moon. Very good. But, chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Look, there's a full moon. Do you remember we talked about the full moon? Looks like an Oreo. That was a fun class when we made crescent moons out of Oreos. A is out of bed. And this is what he said. Dare, double dare, you can't catch me. I'll beat you to the top of the coconut tree. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. So who wants to start a race again?
A.
A, that's silly. A wants to start a new race with all the letters. That's silly, A. Okay, friends, that's all we're going to do today. Chicka, chicka, boom, boom. Right? That's one of our favorite stories. Okay, let me get, yes, Hannah, do you have something? Okay. All right, let me get our papers. All right, parents, today is test day. Test day. Okay? In your packet this week, I sent home a test. Okay? It's really important that you do it when the child is ready to test. Okay? So if they have a good attitude and they want to look at the letters, then it's a good time to test and see what letters they know. Okay? So on this paper here, okay, they are all out of order, just like chicka chicka boom boom, okay? It's best to take a paper like this, cover up all those letters so it doesn't look like chicka chicka boom boom, okay? And then ask them the name of each letter, okay? Check off which letters they know. This is for you to know what letters your child needs to work on still, okay? We have the capital letters and the lowercase letters, okay? The lowercase letters are going to be harder for them. Most of them know the capital letters the best, okay? They do not have to know all of the letters. Don't worry if they only know half. This is just for you to know what letters you can continue to work on at home, okay? All right, that's test number 1, and it takes maybe 5 minutes. So then you might want to take a break, okay? Take a break and do the rest of the test later, okay? On this one, it's going to ask your child to write their name. Can your child write their first name? They all should be able to write their first name, okay? Most of our kids know how to write their first and their last name, okay? If your child does not know how to write his or her last name, continue using the name card I sent home with the dry erase marker, okay? They need to be able to say their ABCs. No singing. Can they say their ABCs without mistake, okay? If they make a mistake in the middle, stop right there, okay? That's how far they can say their ABCs. If they can say them without mistake, then you say they can say the whole alphabet, okay, without mistake. I can count all by myself to the number. How high can they count? We work on in school counting to 30. We want them to count to 30, okay? And can they name all of the colors? All right? Can they name all of these shapes? All right? We learned about 10 shapes. This assessment does not include all 10 shapes. It's only 5, okay? All right, then I would take another break, okay? Do it in segments. Don't do the test all at once, okay? And then, last but not least, the numbers. Can they recognize the numbers 1 through 10? They need to count to 30, but we want them to recognize the number 1 through 10 at least, okay? We want them to be able to, if they see a number, we want them to be able to hand us that many candy pieces, okay? Continue to work on feeding Pete, okay? That's what we did yesterday, feeding Pete, okay? Give Pete 8 candy pieces, but don't tell them the number. Let them recognize the number and have them give you that many pieces, okay? That is the test, okay? That is our end of the school year test. Where is your child? You can find out, okay? Now for practice, okay? We have the ABCs, capital and lowercase letters. Trace the letters and say your ABCs together. Then, I want you to try to write them on your own. Can you write a letter A? Can you write a letter B? Can you write a letter, B, C? Can you write letter C for cat? Okay? Write the capital letters all by yourself. Then, we have this cool alphabet wheel, okay? It has all the capital letters all the way around. I sent home stickers, okay? You're going to match the sticker to the right letter, okay? You might have to spin your wheel as you try to find all of the right letters. Match them up with your stickers, okay? Put a sticker right on the letter, all right? Okay. And then our last activity for today is our dot markers. Haley, can you grab me the dot marker up there? Okay. On every dot, you should put a dot with your dot marker. Okay. You only need a small dot. Okay. Just do a small dot. Okay. If you hold your marker down, your dot marker, it's just going to leak all over your paper. So be really careful. Just do dot, 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 dot on every dot. A is for, what is it?
Apple.
Apple. B is for?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. C is for?
Crab.
Crab. D is for?
Dino.
Dino, right? A dinosaur, okay? Then you can read all the letters with your parents. Okay? All right, friends. That is your review of the letters today. And today is test day. Do the test over a period of time. It does not need to be done today. You can do a part of the test for the next 3 days, okay? Just do it in pieces when your child is ready. Only when they're ready. If they don't want to do it, don't do the test. Because guess what? They're not going to perform well if they're not ready to do it or if they don't want to do it. Also, keep in mind that they test better for me than they do for you, okay? So don't worry. This is just going to give you an idea of where they might be, okay? I really wish we were all in school because I want to do the test, because I want to see how well they do. So this is a really hard time for me. I'm missing all of my friends and I really want to know where they are. So you can share with me the results, but always remember, they test better for me than they do for you. Okay? All right. Before we go, let me remind you of our graduation. Next week on Thursday, every class has a different time. Okay? Every class has a different time. Thursday, May 14th, I'll tell you on Tuesday where we're going to be. Okay? We're going to be in a parking lot. We're going to park in a circle. And I'm going to call each child out one by one. Okay? Next week's packet will have their graduation outfit. We'll have a special shirt that they get to keep. We don't want to be exchanging robes and things like that when this sickness is going around. Okay? So we're going to have a shirt that they get to keep, and we're going to have a cap. They get to keep that as well. Okay? They'll come to the parking lot graduation on Thursday. Everybody in your packet this week had an invitation to graduation next week. I'll tell you what parking lot and the address of the parking lot on Tuesday. Okay? All right, everybody. This rain and cloudy, cold weather is only supposed to be here for today. It's supposed to warm back up, so you should have a wonderful weekend. Okay? I'll see you on Tuesday. Thanks for coming.